Hey all, Steve from GuitarNiche here. Well, looky here. We have an inverted Strat jack. On the bench we have a 2020 lovely Strat made in Corona, California. And I've been working on this instrument for the client for, since he's owned it and stuff like that. But since the jack was loose, I thought, you know what, I'm going to experiment and invert it, the plate that is, just to see what's what. And the verdict is, okay, aesthetically, it destroys the retro 50s Strato, design of the instrument. But in the practical sense, it's freaking awesome. You can grab onto this thing and just, have a go at it. I mean, it's you're not fighting, not that it was a big issue to begin with, but it's a wart on the guitar and it's a lovely chrome sort of growth, but it works. Anyway, if you have an opinion about this, make a comment. In sitting and playing position, it's a little kind of weird. It takes a little getting used to, but it's not, too out of place that I go, bleh! I want to puke. But darn, it really does make sense in the most practical way. Anyway, that's my 2 cents about this mod or hack, whatever you want to call it. And as always, play loud. Have a great day, have fun, and read the resources. There's always something pretty cool going on down there. Anyway, and we'll check you out next time. Thanks a bunch. Cheers. See ya.